Hello dear student, today discuss the our kharif crops, in that fodder crops, different fodder crops were cultivated in kharif season, in that mostly um, hybrid napier, sorghum, maize, cowpea and bajra. These are the important fodder crops were cultivated in kharif season. In that we discuss firstly the hybrid napier. Its botanical name is Penicillium purpureum. Its family Poaceae, and its origin place is a hybrid, but not a proper origin place. It requires soil requirement. It is the sandy soil or medium to deep soil. It should be required. pH range 6.5 to 8.0. In that different important varieties for the hybrid napier: NB21, Posa Giant, Punjab, Yashwant, Phule, Jaywant, IGFRI 3710. These are the important varieties of hybrid napier. That Phule Yashwant, it is Phule Jaywant and Phule Yashwant. It is the important varieties of the hybrid napier. Its seed rate at that root slips or stem cutting, it should be recorded important for this. Its propagation or sowing should be optimum 16 to 60 centimeter spacing should be required, and almost 27,777 should be cutting should be required for the 1 hectare cultivation. But in case when we this slips root slips, when we cut and sowing at 100 into 100 centimeter or 1 by 1 meter, then we should require only 1000 cuttings. Then its fertilizer requirement, it is the 50 kg nitrogen, 40 kg of phosphorus and 20 kg of NP potash dose should be kg per hectare should be applied. Then first year, it is the perennial crop. Its first year 200 to 300 ton per hectare, and second year near about 150 to 100 ton per hectare. It is the maximum yield for the fodder crops. And then second important crops, it is the sorghum. It is the one of the important grain purpose crop and fodder purpose also. The sorghum bicolor, it's botanically its family Poaceae, East Central Africa, well drained sandy loam soil should be required for the fodder sorghum, and pH range 6 to 6.5. It is the optimum pH should be required for the sorghum crop. Then MP Chari, Sundi, Pioneer, Ruchira, Shrutika, Nilwa, GFS3, GFS4. These are the important varieties of the fodder sorghum crop. That Pusa Chari, it is the or MP Chari, it is the important variety. Then seed rate for the improved varieties 40 kg per hectare for and hybrid varieties 30 kg per hectare seed should be required for the fodder sorghum. Then fertilizer requirement 150-50 NPK per kg NPK kg per hectare. Then its yield obtained from the per hectare 300 to 450 quintal per hectare. Then single cut in and 600 quintal per hectare for the second cut. These are the maximum yield obtained from the fodder sorghum. Then third important fodder crop is the maize. Maize, it is the botanically called as Zea maize. Its family Poaceae, or we have to call as a Gramineae family. Its origin place Mexico and Central America. The well fertile drain and soil pH 6 to 7.5. It is the optimum pH for the fodder maize. Then its important varieties for the fodder purpose in Ganga Safed 2, Ganga Safed 5, Pioneer, Hybrid, and African Tall, Vijay, and Ranjit. These are the different important varieties. Among that, African Tall is the one of the important highest yield variety of the fodder crop. In that, spacing and seed rate. Seed rate should be required 75 to 80 kg per hectare, and its spacing, optimum spacing for this maize fodder maize is 12 to 13 centimeter distance between two rows, and plant to plant not should be required. Recommended fertilizer dose for fodder maize 150-50 NPK kg per hectare. Its yield obtained from near about 450 to 500 quintal per hectare. Then winter crop maximum yield near about 500 to 600 quintal per hectare. And that fourth one important fodder crop is the cowpea leguminous family. It's botanically called as a Figna senescens. Its leguminaceae family origin place India and Central Asia. It is the origin place of the cowpea. Soil requirement for the cowpea crop, it is the sandy and acidic soil should be required, and that will be wide range of the pH 5.5 to 6.5. At least an acidic normal pH should be required for the cowpea growing. That GFC1, GFC2, GFC3, GFC4, and Shweta and bundleable lobia. These are the important varieties for the fodder cowpea. Seed rate for the fodder cowpea is the 40 kg per hectare, and optimum spacing 30 centimeter distance between row to row. Then 20 kg nitrogen, 40 kg phosphorus should be applied at the time of the sowing. Then its yield per hectare 300 to 350 quintal per hectare. Then bajra crop. Bajra, one of the important cereal fodder crops, in that botanically called as a Penicetum typhoideus or Typhoidium or Penicetum americanum, both can be called as. Its family Gramineae. Its origin place South Africa or India. Its soil requirement loamy, sandy loam, and medium black soil should be required. Then its pH range 6 to 7 pH. Then its important variety Zaid Bajra PhD 12, PhD 10, L 72, and L 74. These are the important varieties of the Bajra fodder. It is the important Zaid Bajra. It is one of the high yielding variety of the fodder Bajra crop. Then seed requirement of fodder Bajra 10 to 12 kg seed rate should be required for the per hectare. And when Bajra crop for the fodder grain purpose, then we should less requirement of seed rate near about 3 to 4 kg only should be required for the 1 hectare. But in case in the fodder crops maximum seed rate that 10 to 12 kg per hectare. Optimum spacing for that crop 30 to 45 centimeter distance between two rows. Then recommended fertilizer dose 60-40 or 30 kg NPK per hectare. So this is the recommended fertilizer dose, or 60-30-30 also can apply at the time of the sowing. 30 kg of nitrogen at the time of the sowing, and 30 after the 30 days after sowing. So this is the fertilizer recommended dose. Then yield. Rainfed. Under the rainfed situation, 150 to 200 quintal per hectare, and irrigated condition, 450 to 500 quintal per hectare yield are obtained from the fodder bajra crop. These are the important fodder crops in that: hybrid Napier, sorghum, maize, cowpea, and bajra. These are the one of the important fodder crops. Thank you.